This is how you can edit any of your simple image like this using Adobe Photoshop in very simple steps in 3 minutes. It's very simple. Just go into your browser, then type Adobe Photoshop. Then after opening Adobe Photoshop, just click File, then select the file you want to edit. From there, guys, make sure you come here and you want to remove the background of this image. Then select the whole background be removed. Then from there, just make sure you have removed the background using the step that I'm doing. From there, guys, make sure you crop the image until it is on the right position. Drag it until it comes on the right position according to your preference. After there, guys, we want to add the dropping design or the dropping effect after positioning our image. So you'll just go back on the top left corner, just click File. Then after clicking File, go to where there is Place Embedded. Make sure you have select the embedded image or select this design using embedded option. From there, make sure it is on the right position. Then, guys, you can reduce the opacity so that you can show the embedded image is in the right position. Then after there, you can just increase the opacity. Then right click the image, the embedded image. Then from there, you can select there. Then click here. Then just remove the layer, the white layer, by doing what I'm doing here. Then from there, guys, you can click here again and then select pixels, select there, then select inverse. From there, guys, I want us to remove the brown layer on the bottom by shading, and you'll just need to follow the step that I'm doing. I want to find the brush. Then after finding the brush, we want to remove the brown layer on the bottom without interfering on the top layer. Let me shade here until all the brown layer is gone. You remain with the dropping design. Yes, just give it time. Then from there, guys, you can just go back here and make sure you have we want to put the background color. Just do what I'm doing, guys. Just click here, then click here, select the gradient, make it be the click here. Then just make sure you want to choose the color. Let us put this color. After clicking here, guys, you want us to make sure that it is in the best. You can choose any color, but I think this looks good for me. I don't know you. So after there, guys, make sure you have saved, and boom, our image is like this. Guys, try this and like, share and follow for more. Thank you.